YouTube, what's happening, man? Back with another food review video, man. And today we got this brand new Ben& Jerry's Bob Marley One Love ice cream, man. Brand new from Ben& Jerry's. This is a limited edition ice cream. It is banana ice cream with swirl and graham cracker swirls. Banana ice cream with caramel and graham cracker swirls and fudge peach signs. This costs like, I think it's like $5, man. This is, yeah, Ben& Jerry's ice cream is very expensive. If y'all know that, y'all probably already know that, but yeah, man, this is, let's open it up. I found this at Kroger. Yeah, this is like currently like $5 and some change, man. But let's open it up real quick. Y'all can see, here we go. This is what it looks like. Y'all can see that right there. Got the, yeah, like the banana and like the, I guess that's supposed to be the little peach sign right there. Let's see. Let's try it. Yeah, I got that banana taste to it. Y'all can see a little swirls. Y'all can see a little swirls right there. Little caramel and swirls mixed in there. It's pretty good. Pretty good ice cream. I like the flavor of it. Real good taste to it. Pretty good texture. Really good. One time for y'all to see it. But it's pretty good ice cream, man. Pretty good ice cream. Pretty good. If you're a fan of banana ice cream, you'll probably like this. I never really had banana ice cream before. My first time ever trying banana ice cream, but it's pretty good. Pretty good mixture of flavors mixed in, blended together. If I had to give this a rating, man, I'm gonna have to probably give this I'm gonna give this a 9 out of 10. I'm gonna have to give this a 9 out of 10. It's pretty good. Pretty good ice cream, man. I enjoy it a lot, so I'm gonna give this a 9 out of 10. I definitely recommend y'all getting it. If y'all like banana ice cream, I like it, so it's good. So I recommend y'all get it, man. But yeah. Anyway, comment, like, and subscribe. And keep watching my videos next time, guys. Another food review. More videos on the way, more food reviews on the way. Comment, like, and subscribe. Next time, guys. Peace.